In today's video, we are going to be recreating this photo manipulation right here in PixelLab, and as you can see, it's something I actually designed. I didn't just download it. So you can see the layers right here. I'm going to show you how to recreate this right here in PixelLab. So I already have all the resources I need for this manipulation. If you want them, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to show you how to join my Telegram group for the resources. All right, let's go. So I'm going to start a new project. I'm just going to clear this off and start a new project. So I'll first of all start by adjusting the canvas size. I'm going to choose 1.5 here. I'm only going to change the height because I want it to be taller. So I'm going to import my background. So this is the background we are going to be using for this manipulation. I'll just go ahead and resize it to fit the canvas. Then I'll use the relative position to align it horizontally and vertically. And I'm going to lock it so that we don't accidentally move it around. So with this, I'm going to bring the image of the energy drink we'll be using here. So we'll be making use of this Monster energy drink right here. So I'm just going to add it. And I'm going to resize it a little bit. I'm going to resize it like this. Of course, we'll come back and adjust it later on. So before any further adjustment, we are going to bring in another image right here. So this is another image we are going to be using. So I'm just going to add it. And I'll start adjusting. So I'll bring this one here like this. I'm going to resize it. So I'll bring it somewhere like this. I'll bring it somewhere like this. Let me increase it a little bit. Bring it like this. And I'm going to lock it. I'll also bring this energy drink. I'm just going to rotate it so that it can fit perfectly in the hand. Something like this. Just move it. I want it to be bigger so that it can come up on the surface of the water. So let's say something like this. Okay, we might actually come back to resize it later, but for now let's leave it like this. So I'll lock it and I'll come here and duplicate this background image. I'll duplicate it. I'll come to relative position, make sure it's positioned horizontally and vertically, and I'll go to the eraser tool here. I'll click on it and I'm going to erase this top part like this. I'm going to erase it. Then when we start getting to the water itself, I'm just going to increase the softness of the brush. Then I'm just going to wipe over this water a little bit like this, just like this. Okay, just going to like this. I'll hit OK. All right, so with that already done, let me make sure lock this image, then come to opacity and we are going to play around with the opacity so that we can see what is behind or what is under the water. So you can see that. So if the opacity is 100, the hand and the bottom part of the can disappears. So we are just going to take it to about, let's say, 75, and we are going to say okay. Then we are going to also import this can again, or let's just duplicate it. No need for another import it. Let's just duplicate it and resize it. Then this time we will drag it below and resize it again, just somewhere like this, and we are going to keep it around here. Then I'm going to import another element right here. So we are going to use this lightning symbol here. Just resize it until it's very small, then drag it below. Let it be above the smaller can, the one that is right here, and just going to adjust it. Just adjust it, and hit OK. Then lock it so that you don't mistakenly move it, and come over to sticker here. Tap on your sticker and just scroll until you see those light effects. Okay, let's choose this one. Just resize it, and I'm going to change the, okay, let me not change it, I'll keep it like that. Also drag it above the lightning symbol and keep it around like this. Might not be too visible, but you can just make it a little bigger. Okay, that's good. Let's just come back and decrease the opacity of this upper image a little bit so that we can also see what is below. So let's leave it at 65. 65 is okay. Then click OK. Now we still have one more thing to do, and that's the lightning part. So this is the last, this thing will be importing here, and this one is the lightning. I'm just going to rotate it. Sorry. I'm going to rotate it like this. I'll place it above this can like this. Place it. Use the position tool to adjust it. Hit OK. Then lock it. Again, we are going to just go again to your sticker and add another light effect. Just add something like this and drag it over. You can increase it so that it can be visible. Just increase it and put it on top of the distance like this and lock it. Then this lightning image, we are going to work on the color a little bit. So go to color filters while that lightning is selected. Just going to play around with the hue. I want something like blue or the green that is on the monster logo itself. think green is okay. Then you can do the same thing for this lightning effect. Just go to color, enable color, and we are going to look for green. So then you can just reduce the opacity a little bit, and that is okay right here. So that's how to achieve this image manipulation right here in PixelLab. If you found this very helpful, and if you would like to recreate, let me know in the comment section. See you guys another time.